AC Compressor. Ye Compressor Automobile Air Conditioning System Car Ek Bohata Hum Hissa Hota Hai. Charlie A Iska Muktasir Taruf Karwata Hoon. AC Compressor Kya Hai. AC Compressor Ek Mechanical Device Hai Jo Refrigerant Gas Co Compress Kata Hai Ia System Mine Circulate Kata Hai. Iska Kam Hota Hai Heat Ko Ka Ki Cabin Shay Nakalna Ia Thandi Hawa Provide Kana. AC Compressor K Muktalif Parts. 1. Pulley. Engine key belt system Shay connected Hoti Hai Ia Compressor Ko Chalane Mine Madad Kati Hai. 2. Clutch coil. Jab AC on Hota Hai to Ye coil magnetic field create Kata Hai Jo Pulley Co Compressor Shaft Shay connect Kata Hai. 3. Compressor Shaft. Ye shaft pulley keys Gumti Hai Ia piston system Ko Chalati Hai. 4. Bearing. Shaft Ko smooth Goom Mine Madad Kati Hai. 5. Piston. Compressor key and a refrigerant gas Co compress Kata Hai. 6. Compressor shaft seal. Is Jagger Shay gas ya oil car leakage rock to high. 7. Teflon seal. High pressure Ia temperature mine BHI tight sealing provide car to high. 8. Valves. Ye gas key flow Co control Kati Hain, inlet Ia outlet.
Thanks for watching, like and share.